May I help you?
We'll be asking the questions, old man. Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
You just said what?
I did not say what. I said you.
That's what I'm asking you.
And you is answering.
Shut up!
From blurry and age to crisp and stunning HD. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your favorite classic films into high-quality masterpieces using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI, an AI-based video upscaling and video quality enhancement software that can restore detail, improve colors, and give your footage a modern touch while keeping its original charm. Now let's jump right into the process and see how to enhance your classic movie step by step. First, open the software and drop your classic movie clips. On the right panel, choose Upscale to 4K. Then, adjust basic video settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation according to your footage. Now, click Preview to check if the result meets your expectations. Look at the difference! From blurry to stunning HD, very easy and fast. If you're happy with the result, simply hit export. That's how easy it is to breathe new life into your old films. If you want more tutorials like this, check out our channel homepage and remember to subscribe so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching. See you next time.